US stocks slumped today, retracing the increase of the past 3 days as concerns over financials came to the force once again. It was little surprise then to see the US dollar up across the board, with both the New Zealand and Australian dollars hit particularly hard. We were smashed down to now sit just over 55 cents, although a lower New Zealand dollar is good news for New Zealand farmers. Bank of America's headline results were better than expected, but markets honed in on the chairman's warnings that losses from bad loans are only set to get worse, and that the company will continue to allocate money to cover loan losses. With little in the way of news coming out within the New Zealand economy, the focus will now come on the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, who are to announce any changes to the official cash rate next week. The currency, although coming back over the past week, is still likely to be a concern for the Reserve Bank and is higher than their expectations. This, coupled with the recent increase in long-term interest rates, means the sharp economic recovery the Reserve Bank expects is now under threat. A 50 basis point cut on April 30 is likely, with inflation risks now diminishing quickly. There are still some weak fundamentals within the New Zealand economy, and a drop in the OCR would help to give things a push along. Business confidence is still down, and the Reserve Bank is likely to see this as being a problem also. Much of the talk over the past few weeks has centred on the US beef market and the impact of the US cow kill on local scheduled prices. Prime beef has also been slipping recently, with demand from our prime beef markets weaker, especially from Asia. Japan and Korea have really deteriorated economically, and there is no doubt that consumers will have changed their spending habits. This is also coupled with the re-emergence of US beef into Korea, which has been banned until late last year. Korea has quickly come back to be America's third biggest export market. Although the Americans are not finding this market easy either, with discounts the key to moving US beef through the Korean supply chain.